Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to explore the NFTs using Binance. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to view the NFTs. On the nav bar, right next to Square, you will see a button like this called as More. Simply hover over it and these things will open up. From here, as you can see, there are multiple options. But right now, all you guys have to do is click on this NFT button right here. And guys, this is it. These are all the NFTs that are available. Initially, we are in the trending section. Do note that you can also view the top NFTs. You just have to click on this top button right here. And guys, that is it. That's how you view the NFTs available through Binance. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.